Today we're looking at the Roshield 6-inch 150mm stainless steel drain guard. This is a device to place in the drainage system to help prevent rats entering the property via the drainage system. It's got a handy flow direction label on it and these two pre-drilled holes at the top here. And we'll have a look at what else is included in the kit here. We can see there's a bolt, there's a nut and this washer here. And when we install these will help prevent the guard falling through the drain. So the drain guard works by allowing wastewater to come out of the system but preventing rats from moving up along the drainage channel. So when the gate moves, it allows the wastewater out. And when we install it, we want to make sure that at the back hole here we place the bolt, which is going to just feed up from the underside here. We're going to attach the washer onto this, and this really needs to be a nice straight line to prevent the guard from falling down the drain. We're going to just tighten this up. It doesn't need to be too tight, so just a hand tighten will suffice on this. So if we just make sure that bites onto the washer, it's nice and secure, and we're about ready for this to be installed into the system here. So we've got this pipe here, we can see the wastewater coming this way. We're going to match that up to the flow and we're going to push it into the pipe, making sure the bolt here, you can see at the top, will stop that from falling into the drain. And it needs to be nice and snug. And we can see that any rat trying to get through into the drainage system of the house is going to be prevented by the gate there. And if I push from the rear side here, you can see that the wastewater will be allowed.